All right, for funsie, I thought I would re-engage some of my old skills. I used to know how to program lots of old languages, a little bit of Python, a little bit of Perl, a little bit of Java, but it's been a bit. And I don't know, I thought it would be fun to jump back in. So I got myself a seat on Code Academy, and I'm trying out their Python. So I already did the first couple modules, and it's been pretty good. I think it would be tough if you've never done any of this and you might not understand what like a Boolean expression is or stuff like that. It might be kind of tough, but anyway, it's kind of neat. So I'm going to work through this guy. I'm going to read the instructions. You can see it over there. I'm not going to have you with the downtime of me reading. I'm a very slow reader, so I'll pause it and get some reading on. But I'm in a new section where they're basically teaching expressions, which I get. It's the syntax that I forget. So having to rewrite it is good. Okay, so essentially they give you a task to do and then you hit run and it checks to see if you did it. There's other ways to ask for help, like the ask the AI assistant and so forth, or watch videos. So this one is just create an if-then statement that checks X and Y are equal and then print below. So they've got some stuff already lined up for you. Now you have to go through and like look back at the code and type things in. So let me go ahead and reread that and think about some code, and then I'll start typing it in for you. All right, I don't think this one's gonna be all that difficult. So here's my if-then statement. So I'm gonna go with if, let's see, I wanna check if X is equal to, actually I wanna make it a true statement. If X is equal to Y, so equal means Boolean true, then it'll do a then. And my then statement's going to be print, these numbers are the same. All right, so there. These numbers are the same. Gives me the check mark. Then I go on to the next one. All right, so the scenario is we're just checking grades. So right now you're just manually inserting the variable numbers. Later on, there'll be an input phase, but I guess I'm not there yet. So they're just telling you credits equal 120. I guess I could do input, what is it? Input equals, no, it's an input equals, I think it's this, and then it's credits. Let's see, I think I'm doing that wrong. Let me re-go look at that. Okay, so fun little bits. I'm not sure where I messed up, and I'm just going to comment my line out. I'm gonna throw their code in, I'm gonna hit run. And so it's still saying there's some sort of error, so let me check that again. Okay, I see the problem. I'm trying to actually do something that it's not asking for, and it's like, nah, you can't do that right now. Yeah, and you see, so it's giving me an X, so it's checking it out, saying I'm not doing the assignment. So let me just not be so creative and just follow the assignment. All right, so just type that in. The colon is their then sign. Run, okay, cool. See if it gives me the check mark over here. Problem, no, why didn't it give me the check mark? Write an if-then statement, graduate if they do. So if credits is 120, which it is, print you graduated. Let's see, what if I check mark it? Nope, let me run it again. All right, so I'm inputting the wrong thing, hold on. Okay, so they could have more credits. Yeah, I didn't see that. So that's the trouble with programming, is you do have to think about all that stuff, and that's where you'll hit an error and you're like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So it's actually pretty cool, this little tool right here. I'm enjoying it, and it's been quite a while since I've programmed. I don't know how long it'll take me to finish these. I've plowed through the first two in like, I don't know, maybe like 15 minutes or less, our first two modules. So I'm on their third module here, and there's a lot of them in this Python 3 option. I got another one I'm gonna try is, well, two more. I've got JavaScript and SQL, so we'll see. It's just for fun, but it's interesting. So if you're thinking about using a tool, I'm liking this Code Academy. Yes, I had to buy it, but I think if you pay for it, you'll probably do it. And if you want to actually learn something, you should set aside some time and some money and actually get them done.